education. So it is the second year civics English medium, unit number 7. The name of the unit is election system in India. Election system in India. So in previous video I explained about the composition of election commission. So the election commission is three-man commission. The one chief election commissioner and other two are commissioners are appointed by the president of India. So term of 6 years. So the powers and functions of CEC, Chief Election Commission. So it conducts both elections. So it prepares the list of elections. So it stops the elections if any rigging, any violence in the time of election. It stops the election. At the time of election, the state election commission supports central election commission. In district level election commission, the returning officer of in these elections, in district election side, the district collector is returning officer in district level elections. In district level. So this is the structure of election commission. So now present, so recently the EVMs in the, so once upon a time the ballot system, so the ballot paper, so now present the electronic voting machines, EVMs. So if the voter press button in his he uses vote at the time of booth, he press the button. So which party he gives to which party side to the vote, at the time he press the button. So the EVMs, so once upon a time the ballots. So the process actually the time of counting. So the process is very high process. So now present the electronic voting machines 1 hour and 2 hours for the results declared. So which party is leads. So the process is now present the electronic voting machines. And then if you are not interested in any party, at the time you press the button nota. So you nota, you do not like any party and any candidate, at the time you press the button of nota. At the time you use your vote, so you do not like any party, any candidate, at the time you use the button of nota. So the nota means you do not give vote to any party, any candidate. You use your vote, but you do not like the candidates, at the time you use nota. So this is the system. It is the one of the separate button in electronic voting machine. Okay, so these are all the reforms in elections. The election commission narrates important role. All general elections are conducted by the election commission. So it is the independent one. So the IAS officers are the commissioner, IAS officers are commissioners of the election commission. So now present the reforms of elections. So once upon a time the powerful election commission in Indian side is Mr. T.N. Session. So now present he is not living. So once upon a time he is the powerful election commissioner. So every person of India, what is before session, they do not idea about the election commission. So when the session is appointed the CSC, at the time he implements more reforms in election process. So all political parties in his period, so all political parties are afraid about the reforms of Mr. T.N. Sheshan. So the wonderful election commissioner once upon a time. So now present Sunil Arora and other two are commissioners. So once upon a time only one election commissioner. So he maintained his power at the time of elections and process of elections. So recently the election commission, it is the 3-man commission. Any decision at the time the 3 commissioners sit and they discuss about concerned matter and they express their views to the pattern of election. So once upon a time single man show. So now present the reforms of election reforms. So actually these are all the reforms in the side of election. So you know about every student and every voter of India, they know about the system of election. So once upon a time, the people use their vote trustly. At the time, the people do not take any money. They use their vote trustly. So now present the system is totally changed. So once upon a time, the common man also contest in election. So just like the once upon a time in our Nalgonda district side, so wonderful politicians just like Dharmanisham, Nalla Raghav Reddy. So these are all the Mallu Swarajyam, Gurram Yadagiri Reddy. These MLAs, once upon a time, they are the mans of ordinary. At the time of election, they do not give any money to voters. At the time, the believeness is important. Yes, they believe so and so candidate and they give their votes. So the system of that is very nice. So now present election system, it is the worst election system in our time. So at the time of election, the contesting, if you have no money inside, you not contest. So once upon a time, money is not important, believeness is important. So now present, the reforms of the government appoints more committees to the reforms of the elections. So 2 or 9 or 8 committees they submit their report to central government. So reforms of election అంటే ఎన్నికల విధానంలో మార్పు, ఎలాంటి మార్పు తీసుకొని రావాలి, the process of election. So now present election system is costly. నేను చెప్పాను మీకు ఇప్పటిదాకా, once upon a time the contesting candidates are all powerful candidates and they are the mans of ordinary మనుషులే పోటీ చేశారు. వాళ్ళు they have no own vehicles for their side. If they have their what the own vehicle of those అంటే the scooters. So those are all the mans of ordinary. At the time, those are all the representatives. The peoples are believe those fellows. Okay, so now present the system of election is very high. So some committees suggest to central government some reforms. So now present the growing money power. So money power అంటే బాగా డబ్బు నువ్వు కంట్రోల్ చేయాలి. సో గ్రోయింగ్ ఆఫ్ మనీ పవర్ ఆపాలి. So at the time of election, the political parties do not distribute the money, the voters do not take that money. So this is the bad of our democracy. Recently, the American elections has, so the Biden votes in that elections. So they do not distribute any money to people. So the voters are delusive and they give their votes to Mr. Biden. So they do not take any money. The Biden do not distribute any money to voters. It is good. That is the healthy democracy. In our side, the growing money power growing money power, use of caste religion in election. So stop that religions and caste. So now present in our side, the religion and the caste narrates important role. So which caste is side? High caste people in the constituency of that, they give their votes to their caste candidate and they give their votes to their religion candidate. So the way of that is not correct. So the contesting candidate is man. So India is the country of secular. So common man also contest in election. So the voter use at the time of election, the voter uses vote neatly. So political parties mesmerize, he do not mesmerize chestuntaru kani mesmerize kaadu. So the 5 years life is in the hands of the people. So the reforms, what the reforms suggest, the conditions report, the election, the government appoints some committees. How they suggest some reforms, need elections. So use caste and religions in election. So this is not correct. And then preparation of electoral roll preparation. So actually in our Indian side, who completed their 18 years, they are voters. No variation between caste and religion. Who completed their limited age, the age limited is 18 years, they are the voters. So at the time of enrolling, yes, the submit is a certificate, and the election commission, if he is capable, if he is in the candidate of eligible of voter, at the time the election gives choice to the registration of voter. And then photo identity cards. So recently, so at the time of Mr. T. Shisha, he implements this. The photo identity cards. So now present. So the expenditure of that cards, the central government and state government expenditure. So now present, some state do not support to these identity, do not give this financial support to these identification cards. So the photo identify cards. So now present, the voter ID card, it is very important one at the time of election. Who are going to am the voter? The election commission issue one card to me, I am the voter, this is at the time. So now present he have no card for his side, now present election commission ask Aadhaar card, any ID proof of you. If you have no ID proof, you are not a voter. So once upon a time, దీన్ని ఏమంటామంటే దొంగ ఓట్లు వేసేవాళ్ళు అనేవాళ్ళు. అంటే ఒకడు వేసేవాడు, నో ఐడెంటిఫై హూ ఈజ్ అంటే ఈజ్ ద వన్ ఆఫ్ ద ఓటర్ ఎట్ ద టైమ్. సో నౌ ప్రెజెంట్ హూ ఆర్ యూ? ఎనీ ఐడి ప్రూఫ్ ఫర్ యువర్ సైడ్? ఎస్, మై ఐడి ప్రూఫ్ ఈజ్ సో అండ్ సో. ఎస్, ద నేమ్ ఈజ్ ఇన్ యువర్ ఓటర్ లిస్ట్? ఎస్, యు ఆర్ ద ఓటర్. సో ద ఎలక్షన్ కమిషన్ issues the photo ID cards. So these are all the reforms in elections. And then the model code of conduct. So at the time of before elections, the model code of conduct. So the before 6 months. So general elections every 5 years. So before 6 months, actually when the notification is released, at the time the code of conduct is implements. At the time, the ruling party do not inaugurate anyone. The ruling party take development at the time of code. The ruling party do not take any development activities about the people. So these are all the code and conduct before election. Okay. So these are all the reforms of election commission. So now present the money power is powerful. So now the people use their caste and religion at the time of voting and the preparation of electoral. So at the time of preparation, also recently it is the strict one. Completed 18 years and all. The inquiry officers visits. Yes, you are the person of capable. Any original certificate for your side? Yes, you submit that. So now present, this is the one of the good electoral system now present in our side. And photo identity cards, yes, the wonderful one. If you are the voter, you have identification card for your side. If you have no identification card, at the time the election commission asks some cards to you at the time of voting. You, yes, I am so candidate. The proof, and then the model conduct of the model code of conduct. At the time this conduct is implemented. So this is the reforms of election. The way is reforms of election way. So now present the parties in our side. So in our elections, so how many parties participate in our elections? In national parties here, the regional parties here. The national parties and regional parties are here. So the national parties, the Congress party and the BJP and the CPI and the CPM. So these parties all are national parties. So these parties all are national. The Congress party, it is the historical party. So the Bharatiya Janata Party, it is present ruling party. So now present in our India, two alliances. One is NDA and another is UP. National Democratic Alliance, United Progressive Alliance, NDA, National Democratic Alliance, and UPA, United Progressive Alliances. In the NDA side, the Bharatiya Janata Party is biggest party in NDA. It takes the support of small regional parties. They have one side, that is NDA. And the UPA side, the Congress party is the biggest party in UPA. It also takes the support of anti-BJP parties, just like the CPM and the CPI. Anti-BJP parties are in UPA side. Anti-BJP parties are in the UPA side. Anti-Congress parties are inside of NDA. So now present the two. One is NDA and NDA alliance and another is UPA alliance. So once upon a time CPI is married important role. Once upon a time CPM married important role. So now present the parties are presented. The people do not identify the parties of these. So once upon a time, the CPI, it is the wonderful one, Communist Party of India, and the next the CPM, Communist Party of Marxist. So now the people do not believe those parties. So once upon a time, those parties narrates important role. Okay, at the time of EMS Nambutripal, at the time of Jyoti Basu, so in their periods, so the CPM party's key role. So Indrajit Gupta. So now present, the parties, the people do not believe those parties. So the people believes NDA alliance or UP alliance. So now present NDA alliance is in ruling side, UP alliance is in opposition side. So the national parties, the Congress party, the BJP, the CPM and the CPI, these parties are national parties. The regional parties, yes, just like the regional, Telangana regional party TRS. So one subordinate TDP, it is the regional party of Andhra Pradesh. So now TRS is Telangana regional party, the TDP is now presented the regional party of both. And also the YCP, it is the regional party in Andhra Pradesh politics. So the Shiva Sena, it is the regional party, the AIDMK, the DMK, the Akali Dal, the Trinamool Congress, the Assam Parishad, the AGP. These parties are all regional parties. Regional parties. So the Telangana regional party is TRS. It is not in Andhra Pradesh. It is not in Maharashtra. It is not in Bihar. So it is only side of Telangana. So this is the Telangana regional party. Okay. So the regional parties. So majority states now present in the side of regional parties. Just like in the south side. So the Tamil Nadu, the people do not give any vote to national party. At the time of election, they give their votes to DMK or AIDMK. In Telangana side, one or two parties, regional parties, the major parties in TRS. In Andhra side, the YCP, the Telangana. Those two are regional parties. Okay, in Kerala, the people believes UDF, United Democratic Forum, that is led by Mr. Pinarayi Vijayan, the Chief Minister of Kerala State. So this is the total. These are all the reforms of election commission. Reforms means suggestions, and then the role of political parties in the system of election. Okay.